Hi, I'm Chuck Ewing, CEO and owner and founder of the Appliance Factory. I've been doing this for 40 years, and I want to talk to you about front-load laundry. There's a huge myth and misconception about front-load laundry. Front-load laundry has been relatively new in the industry in the last 30 years. Unfortunately, when they first came out with front-load laundry in the 90s and 2000s, they really didn't do a very good job. The new front-load laundry is fabulous. It works great. We don't have any of the problems that we used to have. We used to have shaking problems. We used to have mold problems. We used to have smell problems. We don't have those problems anymore. So the people that had front-load laundry from 20 and 30 years ago, or even 10 years ago, those problems have been fixed. So why is front-load laundry so great? Number one, it uses way less water, so it uses way less hot water, so it saves a lot of energy because you're not filling a big tub full of hot water. Costs a lot of money to do that. Number two, it spins way faster than a top load. A top load, if it spins too fast, it spins the stuff right out the top of the machine. Front load, it'll spin 1,000 RPM, so your clothes get much, much drier, meaning you don't spend near as much energy drying your clothes in the dryer. The other thing about front load laundry is it's much gentler on your clothes. The clothes come up and then they fall. And then it goes the other direction, then it comes up and then they fall. And so the wash action is much gentler and it is much, much better. And because you use less water, you use less detergent. So you don't have to pay for all the detergent and put all the chemicals into our environment. If you want a great washing machine, get a front load laundry set. They're great.